Okay, so we are on our way. 你好，老伯，打开窗户，打开按摩。Hi and welcome back to the video. Today I'm in Wuhan and I'm here for a very special reason. And if you don't know why I'm here in Wuhan at this time of year, well, I'll let you into a secret. It's blossom season and Wuhan is one of the most famous cities in China for blossom. And I'm going to check some out. But before that, I'm going to order a car to get there. So the app actually has some recommendations of where to go to see the cherry blossom. So I'm going to choose one of these. So I've ordered my car, time to go and get it. I think this is our car. This is, oh, it's all decorated in cherry blossom. How cool is that? So to open the door, I need to type in the last 4 digits of my phone number into this keypad here. Wow, that's cool. Have the sliding door. That's really good. Wow, it's so easy access through that big sliding door. Ni hao, lao bo. 开始行程. Okay, we're off. Here we go. This is really great because this is the new RT6. I've never been in the RT6 and the styling is much better than the RT5. All the sensors and technology have been built into the roof on this one, whereas on the RT5 they were bolted on. This one has the sliding door, the RT6, where the RT5 had normal car doors, so it's much easier to get into than the previous one. So for like old people, families, even disabled people, it becomes much easier. As you can see, there's no driver at all. So since February of this year, they're 100% driverless, and they've rolled this out now to about 10 cities. They've just got a license to start trial operations in Hong Kong, and I believe they also go into other countries. I think the United Arab Emirates is really interested in this technology too. And we've got quite a few minutes to go in this journey, so as I'm sitting in this chair, I think I might order myself a massage. 你好，老伯，打开按摩。 Whoa, feel it all on my back. Wow, that's very nice. So I'm actually 1.8 meters tall. And there's plenty of room in the back of it. It's a very spacious. I've got plenty of leg room. I've got plenty of headroom. Really spacious car. I think the design of this is really kind of cool. And I feel really confident being in this taxi. They're up to level 4 autonomous driving. The car's packed with technology, and it just gives me a really good sense and feeling of safety and comfort. It's fantastic. The ride is very smooth. It's really just like a human driver. So by pressing here, you can actually see the route that you're taking, this green line here, and this is currently where we are now. And I've just noticed that, oh, this time we're going across the river. Last time we were here in Wuhan and we took one of the Robotaxi. We're not able to go across the river, but now the area has been expanded significantly. So actually the Robotaxis cover a majority of the city of Wuhan now. So you can pretty much go anywhere within the city, and that's really cool. Last year when we were in the RT5, it was very different. There was like a screen here, and also you were not able to sit in the front seat. Now in this RT6 you can sit in the front seat and there's no like screen blocking off the front of the car. They just have this cover over the steering wheel. We've got a guy in front on a bike, and you see how the taxi's slowed down to be cautious. So we're at the first destination that was recommended by the Robotaxi app. And as you can see, the cherry blossoms are here. Unfortunately, we're a little bit early, I think, at this one, because a lot of the cherry blossoms are still opening. But there's a couple of trees in the middle where they look very beautiful. I just think the pink and the reds of cherry blossom are just absolutely beautiful. This is such a lovely place. You know, it's mid-March. The sky's blue, the sun is shining. What more could you ask for? Absolutely lovely. And here we have one, which is a lot of the blossoms are open. They're such beautiful delicate little flowers. They're absolutely lovely. And over there in the distance, you can see the bridge that we just came across in the Robo Taxi. But this is just a lovely park, isn't it? This is great for kids on their bikes. I wish I had my bike here or my skateboard, I'd be on there. It's time to get on to our next destination. So I'm going to order up another Robo Taxi and then we'll be on our way. So from that app, you can not only set the inside temperature of the vehicle before it arrives, but in winter, you can even activate heated seats so the seats are nice and warm when your taxi arrives. So let's go. So another pretty cool feature is you can actually use Bluetooth to open the door. You don't have to type a number in. And that's pretty good if you've got like your hands full or something like that. So the door will automatically open for you. And if you're traveling from one destination to another and you have luggage, there's plenty of room in the back to store your luggage. There's quite a large luggage area in the back. And a really interesting point is with these 6th generation cars, they've really brought the price down. They cost now less than $30,000. Ni hao lao bo. Da kai chang ho. So as you can see how I opened the window and commanded a massage, they've integrated this voice interaction into the car. So this is good for visually impaired people. They don't have to rely on looking at a screen. Whether on the highway, normal roads or on a bridge, the car really handles very, very well. It's very intuitive. It's amazing, really. Oh, you can change the voice. You can have a woman, you can have a man, or you can have a little child voice. Actually, during this ride, I've seen another 3 or 4 Robo Taxis, all with passengers in. It's clear that people are using these as just part of their daily life now in Wuhan. And currently, throughout China, they're doing around 12,000 orders a day. And actually, on longer journeys in this RT6, you can even recline the seat quite far back, so you can really rest and relax. 2.3 kilometers to go and we'll be at our destination. Oh, we're actually coming into quite a busy city centre part now by the looks of it. There's a lot of traffic, a lot of lanes. And the other thing about these robo taxis, they're 24/7 operation. All they need to do every now and again is go back, get their battery swapped over, and then they can be straight out and back on the road. I think Chinese roads are very, very complicated because not only do you have cars, but in cities you also have a lot of pedestrians, a lot of e-bikes. So it makes it much more difficult for the autonomous driving to operate. So it has to be trained really well. Really, really impressed with the way they drive. They're smooth, they're, you know, confident. It's really good. 你好，老伯。你好。打开车门。 Right, so the Robo Taxi has dropped us off here in Wuhan Park, and as you can see, what a beautiful place this is. It's got some fantastic recommendations on the app, and you can just see some of the blossom trees there in the distance. There's a few up here on the bank. In fact, let's go and have a little walk up to those, shall we? Some of them here are opening, others are not quite open yet, but lovely, beautiful pinks, really, really nice. Wow, look at this as well, like a very traditional kind of Chinese pagoda here. It's beautiful. Wow. I've got to say, China have some of the most amazing parks I've ever seen. They really, really have. And this is right in the middle of a city. You know, you can see the skyscrapers just in the distance there and over there. And they built this park right in the middle of the city. It's absolutely beautiful. The people who live here have such a lovely space to come and relax in, walk around. Parks are really the centre of of communities sometimes here in China. You get old people all dancing here, you get younger people running and fitness. There's just so much activity goes on at these parks, especially early in the morning. These ones here are not quite open yet. I bet in a few days they'll be all lovely and open. It'll look fantastic. And I even got a nice little bridge here. Just what a view. Look at that. Amazing lake. All the cityscape in the background. So I think this is such a beautiful place. It's time to get a selfie. I've had a great time here in Wuhan, and I'm sure you will too. If you come to Wuhan, Robotaxi is a great way of getting around. But as always, from Wuhan, for now, take care.